Beautiful print on white, lovely hand block printing in indigo, stylish dupatta, which follows the pattern prints of the top and the bottom. The prints, the hand block prints are in blue and pink and lavender is a combination. Beautiful paisleys all over with lovely leaf motifs, and the dupatta takes from the top the design with a lovely zari fringe as well. A reverse printed block with the fringes in nice, beautiful paisley and leaf patterns in the borders. It's a combination of peach and pink actually. Saturated pink flowers on a lighter pink, powder pink background. Lovely polka dot bottom. Indigo blue and violet combination with beautiful, very pretty yellow flowers and pink flowers all over. The borders are these lovely loops, yellow loops put together on a black background with beautiful bluish green leaves and blue flowers. It's a lovely design. Beautiful semi-floral print. Salwar suits are the second most popular Indian attire next to saris. They are accepted by the widest range of people across the country, whether it's north, south, east, or west, and they are a very, very practical, very useful, very elegant way of clothing for a woman. Typically, a salwar suit set consists of a top, a bottom, and of course, it's accompanied by a lovely dupatta. Today, we're going to be talking about hand block printed salwar suit sets, and in our set, we will be having a lovely pure cotton top, hand block printed, of course, a bottom, which is again hand block printed, and a lovely chiffon dupatta, very light and airy, and the design and the print on the dupatta will be beautifully matched or coordinated with the rest of the set. So this is what we're going to look at today, and I will take you through these sets one by one. One of the things you can trust on with Avishya is that we also offer tailoring. So even though these are unstitched salwar suit sets, if you like one, you can pick it up, 1, 2, or 3, whatever, and then you can ask for measurements. We have a form online which you can fill up. We have a lovely customer service team online which will take your measurements, coordinate with you, and complete it so that the salwar suit set arrives in your house completely stitched and ready to wear. Let's start with looking at these sets first. The first one I'm going to show you is a beautiful, lovely leaf green set. You can come closer, you can show the design. Lovely leaf green set. I'll just open it out quickly. This is the top. It's coordinated nicely with the bottom. This is the bottom. And of course, there's a fabulous, very light and very pretty dupatta, which is very, very nicely designed and matched with the suit set. And it's in light, very, very light, lovely chiffon material. So this is the first one. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we'll have a quick look at this beautiful white salwar suit set, hand block printed, of course. This one is very, very pretty, very, very nice prints. I'll just open it out. Very nice print, beautiful print on white, lovely hand block printing in indigo, and then the bottom is very nicely planned, beautiful, lovely jali pattern bottom, and then of course lovely, very, very stylish dupatta which follows the pattern prints of the top and the bottom. So it's beautifully put together. Lovely set. Next, we'll move on to this one. This one is a nice pink, beautiful pink with a touch of lavender. I would say it's a beautiful color combination, lovely color combination, and lavender pink is combined with a beautiful blue. The prints, the hand block prints are in blue and pink and lavender is a combination. This is the bottom, very nicely done. And of course, the dupatta has touches of the lavender pink and the blue so that it shows off completely makes the color stand out. So this is the combination. It's a lovely combination that you have. Next, we'll move on to this is a lovely, beautiful black and green combination. I'll just open it out for you. This is a black top, lovely black top. The bottom got a nice green bottom, and the dupatta also follows green and black, and it's beautifully planned so that overall the theme is very, very nice. Next, we'll take a look at this one, a lovely indigo printed, hand block printed style. A lovely, beautiful indigo printed top, beautiful paisleys all over with lovely leaf motifs, lovely, beautifully designed block print with a touch of gray there in the borders. And the way it has been planned is the bottom of this. Let me open it out. The bottom also comes along with this. This is the bottom. The bottom takes off from the top. If you see, the design takes off from the top. It's floral, nice leaves. So overall, this is how it looks. Top and the bottom is how it looks. And the dupatta takes from the top the design with a lovely zari fringe as well. Yes, beautiful design. This is how the top, the bottom, and the dupatta. It's a beautiful indigo themed combination, and be very classy, very suitable, very nice, and very majestic for corporate wear, office wear, etc. It's a lovely set. Next, we'll move on to the beautiful, lovely olive green, really classy looking olive green top. Very, very nice. I'll just open it out for you. Beautiful prints. I should show it like this. Lovely print. prints. It's white, the negative, reverse printed block with the fringes and nice, beautiful pastry and leaf patterns in the borders. And the bottom is this wonderful, beautiful plus or cross shaped, whatever you look at it, that's the design here in the bottom. So it's nicely pad. The color theme is very nicely pad along with the top. This is how it looks. And again, the dupatta is done so beautifully. The chiffon dupatta, if you see, it has elements of both the top, which means the tree motifs are there, and on the inside, in the middle portion, it's got the elements of the bottom as well. So if you come closer, you can take a look at how the whole thing looks together, the top, the bottom, and the dupatta. Beautifully designed and paired together. Next, we'll move on to the nice, very nice, intense, very, very saturated pink color. It's a combination of peach and pink, actually. I'll just open it out for you. A lovely peach and pink combination. Actually, it should be like this. It's a bouquet of flowers. Yeah, it's on the opposite side. Yeah, nice, lovely, beautiful, dark pink, saturated pink flowers on a lighter pink, powder pink background, and beautiful motifs. And the bottom is, wow, nice, so pretty. Very, very nice. Polka dot bottom. Lovely polka dot bottom in pink. Pink polka dots on white. So it's a lovely combination. And you see the dupatta, the same polka dot theme continues, and some elements of the floral theme from the top are also there. So this is how the dupatta is, with both the floral theme and the polka dots. Both of it come together. So overall, this is how the set would look like. It's a lovely combination, top, bottom, and lovely chiffon, light and lovely chiffon dupatta. It's a lovely, stunning color, which this is a color which can go for going out, evenings, parties, and so on. Next, we come to a nice, a little more demure color. This is a lovely, I would say, indigo blue and violet combination. Very nice color, beautiful prints. It's a lovely, it's a mauvish violet. It's very, very nice, lovely color. With beautiful, very pretty yellow flowers and pink flowers all over. The branches or the plant is in a deep purplish brown color. So there are 3-4 colors operating here. Very nicely done. Very intricate hand block work. The borders are these lovely loops, yellow loops put together on a black background. And let's see what the bottom looks like. Nice, beautiful, lovely, very simple but very sophisticated looking, nice looking block prints. Lovely prints. Bottom, beautiful. There's a sun, there's some trees. Nice, very simple print which goes along with the top. And the dupatta is very stylishly designed. It takes elements from both the top and the bottom, and so it's got both the elements of the top in the pallu, and the center of the dupatta has got the elements of the bottom. So this is how the whole set would look like. I'll just show it to you. This is how it looks like. Next, last but not least, it's a lovely fresh lime green hand block printed salwar suit set. I'll just open it out. I'll show you what the top looks like. Nice, fresh, lovely lime green top with beautiful bluish green leaves and blue flowers. It's a lovely design, and the borders have got the long panel of blue on which there are green leaves and flowers. Nice print, very fresh looking color, very, very, very punchy green, nice lime green. And the bottom takes off from this design, pad beautifully along with the top. Goes very, very nice, very pretty. It's a very nice floral print here, beautiful semi-floral print. It's half of our kind of print. So if you see the dupatta, the artisan has planned it so well that he has taken elements of the top, which means this green and blue flowers, and in the middle of the dupatta, he's taken the prints of the bottom. So overall, there's a very classy combination. It looks very, very nice, very stylish salwar suit set. I really hope you are enjoying this video and you like this salwar suit set collection, hand block printed salwar suit set collection. If you like this video, please hit the like button and you please hit the subscribe button too. Don't forget to click the bell icon. It's very important so that you keep getting notified about all the videos that we keep putting out. They're bringing you all kinds of collections, whether it's saris, salwar suits, kurtas, from all over India, from multiple very, very heritage Indian arts. We get the designs and get them made using our artisans, and we try to showcase glorious Indian tradition and the looks, the very, very, very proudly Indian looks of our collections. So I hope you like them. For those of you who are in Chennai, I would urge you to visit our store. The Avishya store, the Avishya flagship Avishya store is there in 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We have a lovely team here. We'll be very happy to meet you in person, so that and in person you can touch, feel, try out some of our outfits. We have a lovely trial room as well, and you can get an idea of the entire range that is available at Avishya, all of which is available in the flagship store. So please come over. We'll be very happy to meet you in person, meet you, greet you, and show you all the entire collections. And for those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. Online, the entire collection of hand block printed salwar suit sets is there. Of course, apart from this, the entire other collections of salwar suit sets are there, and of course, our other collections of salwars, kurtas, saris from all over India, from different artisans from all over India are showcased on the website. website. So please log into avishya.com. And online also, we have a lovely team which is there available online to service you. We actually have physical people. We have online service team who will be available online for 16 hours of the day. So whichever time zone you are in, whether you are in India or the US, we have a lot of customers internationally from the US, UK and Australia. So across time zones, we try to cover. So 16 hours they're available and they'll be able to help you select your Salwar suit. Any queries that you have, doubts that you have about how to make an order and how to get it shipped to yourself, your doorstep, that will be answered by our service team. Also, we have great news from Santa this Christmas. So there is a fabulous Super Santa offer for Christmas season this year at Avishya. For any 3 products you buy, we are happy to give you the 4th product free. So you can buy 3 and get 1 free at Avishya on every product, whether it is sari, kurta, salwar suit set, fitted shirts, men's shirts, all of it is available. You just have to buy 3 and we are happy to give you the 4th one free. This is a Super Santa offer. For those of you who can't buy 3 or 4 and if you just want to buy 2, on buying any second product, buying 2, you get 10% flat off on your purchase. So this is a fabulous offer we have for you this Christmas season. So please do avail of this offer and make your selections and buy whatever you like from Avishya. Thank you. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.